So I was looking at the charts over the weekend. I just noticed that I just missed out on like 80R, maybe 100 across EU and GU. And if you want to find out the reason, stick to the end of the video. But let's quickly look at some of the trades just this month, just from the 7th to the 20th of October. So if you're a beginner, strap up because this is gonna be a bit of advanced and I'm just gonna do it quickly. But yeah, see, Monday 7, we broke Asia lows, broke Asia highs, initiation break of structure here for people that know. Smart money trap, we trapped them. So because this was a trap, this will become a trap. You see this change of character. Boom, you place yourself 3R because stop loss is above 10 pips, but 3R you would have got it the next day. Okay, moving on to the next day, we got a beautiful trend line as a confluence here. You got a major resistance for support resistance traders. We break it, but don't place yourself just yet. Smart money traders are looking at this as well. So then we get an initiation, and boom, we take them out. You always wait for 2 breaks. So support resistance traders out, smart money traders out. You get the true liquidation. Get your breaker structure, you place yourself on the order block, 5R, easy peasy. So then we go lower, you go lower. Okay, we break this sort of a range in use. Alright, so price breaks it again. Always watch out for these. Liquidity cycle as well, if you want to go check the video. Yeah, we break this, you wait for the change of character. Again, 2 breaks, 1, 2, for the people that's placing themselves early due to the retracement of the movement. Because everybody knows there's going to be a retracement. The question is when and how you're going to place yourself in your stop loss. Stop loss is quite big, so you go for a 3. Boom, let's go. So this high is supposedly protected because liquidated this. We retesting it now. We broke Asia high, gave out a trap here. Boom, smart money trades out this one. We go higher. Once we go higher, we got structure breaking internally. You place yourself on the structure, on the breaker structures. Boom, you got the 3R till Asian lows. We break Asia lows. Before we break Asia lows, we give out a trap right here. Okay, initiation, choose the character in this order block, you should say, or kind of something like this, because this is also a liquidity. So smart money traders must see this support. Boom, they think support resistance traders are out. They see this initiation, they place themselves around here. Boom, they're out as well. So now we place ourselves on the order block of the liquidation, and you could have got the 5 because the stop loss is quite low. Then we test this zone, goes back down again, because now smart money traders are seeing this big impulsion up, so they all placing the order block around here and they get stopped out again. That's why you need to take advantage of the move, but in the beginning of the move, at the start of the move, because if you wait too much for the whole move to happen and then come to a trace and come to your entry, it's most likely a trap because everybody's seeing it. But on the lower time frames, nobody is really checking for it, or nobody can really master it. I'm gonna release a video on that on M1 Mastery real soon. So we got big impulsion down. We got again 2 breaks if you check the wicks. Boom, boom, change your character, and you go for the 3. Because in this, like, you don't know if you're bullish or short. I mean, it's kind of internal. This is super internal because you're going against the trend. All right, but this trap most likely. So then we got the next day, still short. We got still the liquidation for previous daily low from 2 days ago. We got a gap right here. Price is playing around, giving a break of giving liquidity actually. But maybe people get themselves trapped around here. And 11:30, internal break of structure, and we go down. We filled up this gap. We go back down, break Asia highs, break Asia lows. Simple stuff. So moving on. Next day, we broke Asia lows, but they're still previous daily lows. You gotta watch out. We give a small initiation. We trap people. Give the real change of character, and you place yourself for Asia highs, for example, in this case. Then we contest these lows, these highs. Sorry, we contest these highs, and you can see people placing themselves around here on his order block. It even took it, maybe. People placing themselves around here, prices going down, everybody seeing this, smart money trap, we take them out. As soon as we take them out, you can place yourself. Because this was a trap, this will become a trap. Okay? Smart money cycle, if you could say. And we took out also these inducements. You see? Because this is not protected. This didn't take liquidity. This is the real high. This is not. Because, again, you look for the highs and lows that take liquidity if you want them to be valid. Moving on to the next day, you could have got this, okay? Moving on to the next day, we break Asia low with some impulse. We got 2 touches, meaning support resistance traders are looking at this. We wait for the 2 breaks, put a change of character right here, and you could have got until Asia high. And if, as it's a retracement, counter trend, because we're currently bearish for the month, you look for 3. Then same thing, break Asia highs, initiation, break of structure for smart money traders to place themselves right here. We take them out. You see break of structure, the real break of structure right here. Okay. Don't hesitate in replaying this video though. I'm going fast just because I'm covering a lot of trades. Break of structure, boom, and you get a 5. Okay, retest, get a 5. I hope you understand. Then we got a bit of a liquidity cycle right here. Break the highs to break the lows. Again, we broke Asia highs, break Asia lows. Everybody's placing themselves around here. Okay. We broke Asia highs. We did a break of structure. This smart money trap right here, because people are seeing this. But always look out for it's not only in Asia highs and Asia lows, guys. There's always like some highs, maybe. Not all the time, but sometimes there's previous daily highs or previous daily lows or some type of highs just before Asia, and you gotta consider them as well. It's not just Asia session. As you can see, there's this low as well. This is high. Sorry. But this was before news. Took out the liquidity. You place yourself right here if you want to trade news whatsoever. Take liquidity out. Everybody's seeing this big drop from the news, and everybody's trying to play the retracement, right? So he gave out a bit of initiation, a bit of signal for people to place themselves right here, and we will break internal structure on the 1 minute, I think, and we break back down. As we break back down, you break it again. You got the change of character right here, okay? And you place yourself on the inducement. We even came to test the 5-minute order block, and the trade ran. I actually took this one, but as you can see, I was stopped out break even right here. This one was a big stop loss, so you go for 3R. Moving on, price is retesting this zone that took liquidity, so it's valid. We didn't break Asia highs, but we came to break Asia lows. We're still bearish. New York came to take London. Maybe this is easier for you guys to see on my indicator. London was the blue box, New York was the yellow box. We came to trap everybody right here because they saw this break of structure, decided to short it at the high of London. We take them out, and you can place yourself on the break of structure on the retest. You could have got the 5 easily. Moving on, we break major liquidity from two days ago, or yeah, from 2 days ago. Price going up. It's retesting this. You can see, fuck, where's my inducement? Where's my session indicator? You can see blah blah blah. Price giving out traps right here. Gave it out trap on London Open. People placing themselves around here. They just get taken. As soon as you get the big impulsement, maybe it's the real one. Because it's like the A, the M, and then you get the full distribution. And you could have got the 5. But this one, risky. Like most of them. I won't take all of these, but some of these are clear. And I'm going to explain you why I didn't take all of them. So then you can just follow the money, like low, lower low, higher low, but took out liquidity. We go lower low, inducement, boom, test it out the order block, break a structure, and then you can place yourself on the order block. And if you even want to, you can wait for internal breaker structure and place yourself right here. Again, I'm going fast, but don't hesitate in repeating this video. There's nothing wrong with it. And even if you want to get really good, go back test this month, backtest it, save the data, and compare your charts to mine on this video and see if you can get the same trades, if you can get the same vision. Alright, that's how you become good. So yeah, following the money, next day you have this inducement right here, which didn't take nothing. It's also a resistance with Asia highs. You also got a nice confluence of trend line on Asia. It sometimes does this. Gotta watch out for this. Nice confluence, by the way. We break it once. Smart money traders are looking at that because we give out initiation. We do the real high on Frankfurt Open, and then we deliver the whole move. Sometimes you get the real high or low from Frankfurt Open instead of London. Sorry about that. Yeah, we got major liquidity right here. I didn't point out, but it's a H4 low or daily even. We're going down and we give initiation right here. Again, initiation is just meaning price break of structure, like people seeing price going up, but this is a trap and they get liquidated. And once we do the real liquidity, you got one break, two break a change your character, and you place yourself, and you could have got the 5 on the next day. All right, moving on to the next day. This is long, bro. This is long. You see how much gains, bro? This one I actually took, and I'm gonna make a video on it, but it was during news. You can see we retested the order block, same vision again. We broke liquidity, so now we got to break some liquidity higher and break Asia lows. You got Asia highs. I'm gonna detail it more. I'm gonna detail it more on a video that I made for specific for it. But this one I actually took. So then we got some liquidity right here. Okay, that's from this. Again, these highs didn't do shit, so they gotta be taken. This one you can consider as a bit of a real high, but as you can see, it didn't quite fully worked because we didn't give a trap right here. And you can see is London, not London, but kind of a bit of London lunch, and then as New York open, New York trap timing, or New York manipulation timing, which is 2:30 my time. We give out the real move. We take out London high. So because this was a trap, this will become a trap, and it ended up being, as you could place yourself on the order block and get the 5R, even way more. But we stick to our plan, and we could just go for the 5. Again, price dropping, testing this trade. Maybe you could have got something here, but it's risky. And yeah, that's about it, because this is already the new week. But yeah, to explain to you why is there so many trades, and why did I execute on many of them? Why did I lose on so many? Again, the reason is most of these trades don't exactly fit in with my plan to the T. Like, most of these aren't A-class setups. And the reason why they are A-class setups is because, like, price, right, recently just doesn't want to give me my entry model And yeah, that doesn't want to give my entry model on the lower time frames, and the lower time frames for entry just looks ugly. Because most of these there's no inducement, price just takes the liquidity, is in a good zone, but then just drops, no retest, or there's no inducement for me to place myself, and I gotta place myself on the order blocks right here, or I gotta place myself as soon as we do some double breaker structure or breaker structure like right here. Because I wouldn't be surprised, like recent times, we don't even come to make the retest, price just goes from here to maybe down here, as you could have seen on last two trades. This one no, but others yes. And this is making me real mad because I'm missing out on a lot of profits, bro. And not just that, I'm like hungry for trades because my trading frequency is fucking low because market doesn't want to give my entry model, and it just looking kind of ugly, and sometimes just takes the liquidity and just goes. It's something that I've been backtesting, something that I've been seeing, because like my paper trades work. And the worst thing is like you know where price is going, you know where price is heading, and all you can do is just stare at it. You can't place your trades because you don't see your model, but you know price is going down, price is actually going down, it's following your prediction, but you can't place a trade because you don't see your freaking plan. And I've been thinking, am I being too strict? Is my model of entry too strict? Maybe, because I haven't been taking shit, but my vision is here perfectly. And the reason why there's plenty of trades is because I've been telling y'all that I trade externally. I only trade when major liquidity is taken, per se. And for example, this is kind of internally, because it's, again, there's the previous daily low just before it, but it also retesting the major liquidity that I took. Okay, but this one is externally. It's external. I took it. Seemed good. Did I actually take it? Yeah, this one was the one that got me break even, I think. Or it was the one that was 3R. But bro, there's so many trades, bro. So many trades that could have been taken, and I'm always placing myself on not placing myself, but putting like paper trades on TradingView, and these motherfuckers are playing out, and I'm not taking advantage of it. And I see people that trade similar to me. Okay, they got similar strategy, but they trade external. They trade like Asia low, Asia highs, for example. The liquidity of the session, and they take these motherfuckers, and then I don't, because they're too eternal most of the times. Like this is in the middle of nowhere. Like this is kind of eternal. It took out Asia, but yeah, it's retesting nothing basically. It's retesting this, but not so safe, bro. And then again, you gotta find this balance between safe and risky. Because if safe is giving me profits, but the profits are nothing comparing to a bit of safe, a bit of risk, I mean, add them both. Why not? Again, like here. Where's the motherfucking retest here? Okay. Here you actually got it, but there's no imbalance here for me to place myself, so no entry model. And this one is kind of internal. See, I'll never place myself here going against Asia, but it's something I have to consider. Because I'm missing out on a lot. And as you guys know, we're doing the 50k challenge, from challenge to payout. If you want to check out the episodes that's already released, we went a month without trades, but then again I have other accounts, and then we started trading it. And now for this week ahead, I mean, it's already the future, but for the week that I'm currently in recording this video, I've traded that account and traded with more risk. Not more risk in position, more risky trades. That's what I mean. And you'll see this will either make me or break me, because I'm taking risky position, I'm trading way more. It's not what I advise you to do, but my trade frequency is really low and I'm missing out on a lot of profits, as you can see. So this is my plan. I'm gonna start trading these riskier trades, these more internal trades, and it's either gonna make me or break me. So if you want a little spoiler for the next episode of 50k challenge, we either got some big ass trade, we either funded or we blew the challenge. I'll let you guys know on the next time. Don't miss it though. You'll be surprised. So yeah, peace out, like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff, and join the Discord. First link in the description. I'm giving all of this. I'm giving all the vision though. Might not give these risky trades, all these risky trades, but I do give you the vision for you to take them. And I'm also taking them myself sometimes, if I do send them. So yeah, peace out, boys.